Dope. Dope. Hey, we're out here in nature's fucking majesty in the Washington forest. Super deep out, thick as shit. Nobody's around. We're gonna show you how dope it is, because it's dope as fuck, because this is the dopest documentary right here. Let's go. Pacific Northwest forests are dope as fuck. They're made of some dope ass conifer shit. If you don't know what that means, Google some shit. Conifer. Mostly Dougie firs. You see a lot of Dougie firs floating around in these woods, and they're beautiful as shit and super fucking dope. A lot of people don't know this, but these woods are super extra famous for Bigfoots and Sasquatches, so I need to fucking watch my step around this bitch. Because at any moment I could see one and that would be dope. But if I didn't make it out with the footy, that would not be dope. Mountains are fucking dope. But let me tell you why. Because they're giant piles of dirts and fucking rocks. And other plants and shit. It's like we're a bunch of ants climbing around on these things. It's fucking insane how dope they are. There could be anything in a mountain. Gold, silver, alien base. You don't fucking know. That's why they're so fucking dope. So, little backstory. Pacific Northwest is known for having the most fucking mushrooms per square fucking dope ass acre. I don't know if that's true, but it sounds fucking legit. And I'm pretty sure it's running with it. So anyways, let's take a look around and go view what kinds we have. Now, these obviously, by their giant heads and wavy stems, are known as the Amazonian cubensis. Those ones produce a psychoactive chemical named psilocybin that fucks you up. This type of mushroom is known as the Amanita muscaria, better also aka known as the Mario mushroom. Hence its red cap and white dots. This one is an albino one, hence no red. But that's sure as fuck what it is, and it's fucking dope. Lucky for us on our adventure through the Pacific Northwest woods, we have encountered a turkey egg shell broken. Where's the baby at? We don't know, but we might see it. It's dope. Traveling through dope ass woods, eventually you're gonna stumble on a fucking dope ass cave like this one is. But you gotta be careful, because you never know what the fuck might be living in one. This one obviously housed a Bigfoot at one time. There's some dung back there. It looks kind of like mine, but it's definitely a Bigfoot's. If you ever find yourself walking down the mountain, which happens sometimes, you want to look out for this fucking piney needle shit here in the Northwest. It comes from those conifer trees, the Dougie firs. They be dropping that shit like fatty loads on your mom. And you gotta be careful because you will slip and fall your ass down that mofo. I'm telling you, it's not dope when you fall. Keep it dope. Oh yeah, I've seen these 100 times. This is definitely a Sasquatch bed. They're made sometimes to sleep in and whatnot. Definitely not man-made. You can tell because the logs are so fucking heavy. We'll edit that part out later, but it's definitely made by a Sasquatch for sure. We're in luck. Dope! Dope! Rock climbing's dope. Sometimes you'll see a rock face like this, and you're gonna have to climb it in a survival situation. And in those kinds of situations, you're pretty much fucked, because it sucks dick. But you gotta figure it out to survive. See that person's trash right there? It's not dope. Check out my other videos for the rock climbing tutorials. Right now I'm a little winded from hiking this badass shit, so catch me on the flip. Now, like I was showing you before, when rock climbing, always make sure you got your feet planted on a nice, secure, dope-ass ledge. If this wasn't so dope, I'd find a doper one and climb that. Oh, dope. Don't scare it, but we just stumbled across a UFO. Happens all the time out in the woods. Alright? This is where people get abducted and shit, so don't let them see you. We're gonna sneak by to the right over here. But that's dope. You know what's dope about this? Is that dead shit, as in dead trees and shit, in the woods in the Pacific Northwest, decompose and become a thriving ecosystem for all kinds of shit. Fungi, and not like me, like the mycelium network that grows underneath these forests. And all kinds of insects and shit live in there and run around. If you're fucking starving, you lift one of these, find a big old chunky fat slimy grub just scrubbing his way through there, and you grab him and you fucking eat that dope ass fucking grub. Well, ladies and gentlemen, paint me red and call me Susan, because we fucking found it. The Bigfoot's fucking house. What the fuck was that? We're good. It's probably out fucking eating beavers or something. Thank God, because holy shit, guys. You know it wasn't made by humans, because who would fucking do that stupid ass shit? Fucking nobody.
Let's go check
But a dumbass Sasquatch. Big-footed motherfucker. We're gonna find one, I think. And it's gonna be dope. Well, this structure that I'm sitting in is man-made. And judging by the structure, I would say it was probably early Eskimo. Back in the day when this place was covered in ice and shit. Giant glaciers. Quite simple structures, really. Or it could have just been something to shit in, I don't know. But it's dope. I don't even know what the fuck, but it's dope. Yep. Super fresh, super dope. There might be some deer in there here. What we just encountered here was a dope-ass cotton-tailed reindeer. They mush around in these forests and whatnot when they're not carrying Santa Claus around. And they eat the mushrooms that we encountered earlier in the patch. And they fly through here and it's amazing. Super dope. 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 So dope. Dope. So dope. 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 Who would fucking do that stupid ass shit? Dope. Dope. It's dope. Keep it dope.